Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome jelly bag with simple steps. I used an 8mm crochet hook and t-shirt yarn. Start with a slip knot and chain 10. Make 2 single crochets into the first chain, then 1 single crochet into each of the next 7 chains, and 3 single crochets into this chain. Then, make 1 single crochet into each of the next 7 stitches, and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Finish with a slip stitch into the first single crochet you made. Round 2, chain 1, counts as a turning chain. Increase, make 2 single crochet in same stitch, and in the next stitch. Single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Increase in each of the next 3 stitches. Single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Increase in the last stitch. Slip stitch into the first single crochet to join. Chain 1, round 3, increase in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, increase in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Increase in next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. Repeat over the next 4 stitches. Single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Increase in next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Height 18 centimeters. Width 8 centimeters. Continue working. Single crochet in each stitch around. Repeat this round until you reach the desired height. After completing 3 rows from the base, measure the height. It should be approximately 11 centimeters. Next round, single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Make decrease into the next 2 stitches together. Repeat from the steps around. Final round, single crochet in each stitch around. To make the short handle, work into the stitch before the slip stitch. Decrease over the same stitch and the stitch after the slip stitch. Single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Decrease over the next 2 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Single crochet in each stitch around. Repeat this round until the short handle reaches 5 centimeters in length. Make the long handle on the other side. Repeat the same process until the handle reaches 19 centimeters in length. Attach both handles securely. Weave in all loose ends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated.